Welcome to Annabelle's kitchen. Today we're making kolaches. And first I'm going to see, this is the sauces we use. And go to H-E-B and it has this. Biscuits first. And then we're gonna smush the biscuits. But my mom didn't help me open this, okay? And then we're gonna put some sausage. See this bit of sausage. And then we're gonna put some cheese. A little, and then we're gonna do this. See? And you know what we put? We put it in a foil. So you can find that at H-E-B. All of this ingredients in the H-E-B. We're gonna get one biscuit and then we're gonna flap it like this. Like almost soggy. So I'm gonna make a lot of noise. Now we're gonna put some sausage too. Okay. And we're gonna put some cheese on it. Just a little bit. And now we like tortilla. Put it like this. And ta-da! It's like a phone. But now we're gonna follow me. We're gonna put them in here. Like this. So this is my last kolache. So now I'm gonna do like a taco. And now we're gonna put it on the oven. The kolache's been in the oven, and this is how it looks like. It's beautiful. It tastes delicious. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe. Bye.